Corona Premier.
Awesome.
We do not know the alcohol content, but we're kind of guessing what 4.42
I thought it was 4.2.
or something. This is a different type of Corona.
This is the lighter. This is the competition with Michelob Ultra and all of those guys.
Okay.
It's like lower carb, lower alcohol, lower calorie.
A little skunky. Not too much of a fan of the Corona Extra, which is the, I guess, normal one. But
Yeah.
the last one we did that my buddy gave us
Familiar.
was pretty fucking good.
Yeah.
The Familiar, the family one. It finishes like you're just breathing in air.
Super
just goes
short.
away. Yeah, everything goes away.
Yeah.
Just
It's
fucking,
very light, but it's even and malty, you know?
Yeah, it
like,
is.
Just even. There's actually a decent amount of maltiness to it for what it is. I mean, fuck, this grain bill's got to be small.
Yeah. Not bad. It kind of does taste a little like the Extra, but...
A little bit. Lighter, though.
Yeah. Yeah, definitely lighter. For the hot day that it is.
Well, Corona's interesting because it's an adjunct kind of beer, right? So you have malt and stuff, but they also use corn. At least the traditional one, they use corn for.
Yeah.
That Familiar, I wonder if that's like more malt than,
Yeah,
you
possibly.
know,
It
or
seemed like
not
it could have
corn
been.
or whatever.
Not my favorite, but not bad, you know?
Mm-mm.
This would be definitely good just on its own, of course. Anything like with corn or tortillas or you know, like any sort of Hispanic food would go real good with this. Any
Nice
sort of
yellow
wet,
corn, yellow corn tortilla, fucking street tacos or something, you know? That'd be
Yep.
fantastic.
Be good with like any sort of like real juicy meats and stuff. It would kind of complement that because it's kind of like it dries quick. Like it just falls right off.
Yeah, it has a short kind of finish to it, but it's like, I guess that's just because it's so low in alcohol, low in grain. Like, you know, it's a small beer.
Right. Yeah. Pretty much. But it's refreshing.
It indeed.
So.
I want it like with some pesto or like, you know, like a pesto chicken salad.
Chicken
something like that would be really good.
Yeah. This definitely wouldn't be a cooking beer.
Nah, tortellini salad though that you'd maybe throw some bay shrimp into or something with some garlic and some pepper and fresh chives or something.
Yeah.
You know?
Pub food and snacks and shit like that. Like, this is definitely like this will take away the salt from the nuts and chips and all that stuff. And, fries would be great with this, like burgers.
Yeah.
Sandwiches, whatever.
Pizza, fire roasted pizza.
Oh, fuck yeah. Absolutely.
Or like a really good, you know, like a good grinder, you know, like a good, like cured meats, shredded lettuce with the vinaigrette, you know, on a good hoagie roll, right? Oh, man.
Pretty versatile. Very simple.
Oh, yeah.
So.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
And it won't fill you up. Drink a whole case of it.
Yeah.